In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical scrolling in Figma. Whether you're designing a mobile application or simply want to add an interactive scrolling effect to your desktop project, mastering vertical scrolling can bring dynamic and intuitive experiences to your work. So if you're ready to take your Figma skills to the next level, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to create the frames that you want to include within your scroll. These could be anything from images to text blocks or any other type of content you wish to showcase. For this demonstration, I'll be using images to clearly illustrate the process. As you lay out these individual frames, make sure they're designed to fit within the scrolling area you have in mind. Once you have your frames ready, select them all. A quick and efficient way to do this in Figma is by clicking and dragging to highlight them, or by holding down the Shift key as you click each one. With all your frames selected, apply an auto layout by pressing Shift+A. This step places all the frames neatly inside one parent frame, helping maintain order and control over spacing. Feel free to adjust the order of your frames and the gaps between them to get the exact look you're aiming for. Now that all your items are nested within one big frame, it's time to move this frame into your frame preview field. Simply drag the big frame over. You'll notice a blue outline appear around your main frame. This is your visual cue for the next step. You want this outline to fit precisely within your preview frame because it essentially defines the visible boundaries or the cutoff point of your scrolling content. Think of it as a window through which a portion of your larger frame will be visible to your audience. Ensure the blue outline is perfectly sized and aligned to match your intended design. Now, switch over to the Prototype tab, where you'll unlock the magic of vertical scrolling. Within this tab, find the Overflow Behavior options and set it to vertical. This simple yet critical adjustment tells Figma how to handle the content that extends beyond your preview frame, enabling the scrolling functionality. With just these steps, you're ready to preview your work. Click on the play icon to see how the vertical scrolling effect operates. As you scroll, you'll observe your content smoothly moving up or down, staying within the constraints you've just defined. And that's it. You've successfully created a vertical scrolling effect in Figma. With this skill under your belt, you can elevate your design projects, making them more interactive and engaging for users. Don't forget to explore and experiment with different types of content and layout settings to really customize the effect to your liking. Happy designing, and thanks for watching.